Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So as you all know my YouTube channel, that's why you all are here to see my wonderful creation. If not subscribed till, then please check out my channel and do so as it is free of cost. So do not miss my videos. So please consider subscribing my channel. And today we'll discuss about the most interesting topic. Stay till the end. Thank you. Hello guys, so today we will discuss about the what is disease, some common diseases in human. So today we will discuss about the what are the causes of disease, what is disease, and what are the types of disease. So first we will see about the definition, common definition. What is that? What is a disease? So a disease is a disturbed state of body of an organism. So as we know, our body mechanism works properly. If there is any impair, if there is any malfunctioning, which that impairs the bodily functions and associate with the specific symptoms and signs. So disease are the consequences in which our body forms, our body sees some, gives us some specific symptoms and signs which states that our body is not in ease. So there is something problem which is going on in our body part or any other organs. So it may be caused by the external factors or by internal dysfunctions. So this is the common definition of the disease. Now we will see about the what are the types of diseases. So now let us see about the what are the types of diseases. So diseases can be categorized into the two basic types. There are the congenital diseases which are found from the birth, or it is a genetic disorder. These diseases are due to the genetic disorder which are passed from generations to generations due to the genetic mutations. Now other is the acquired, which are acquired in the human life when someone births, from the birth which he or she acquires the ease which is disturbed by some organism, then the disease is formed. That disease is called acquired disease. So first we will see about the congenital disease. Let's go. Congenital disease, previously we saw that these diseases are present from the birth of someone individual. So these diseases are present at the time of birth, and these are due to the genes which are inherited from the parents to the offspring to the child, which comes from the, as we know, the main cause of the main cause of the evolution is the genes, and genes are present in the DNA, and DNA is the main complex formulation of a human life, which is complex and though it is important also. Now, these congenital diseases, this may lead to a malfunction of any organ or a whole systems like digestive system, or it can be a nervous system. It can also affect endocrine, exocrine systems, and these congenital diseases are non-infectious. So this can't be spread from person to person. They don't spread by contact, food, air, or water, and they can be a permanent and are generally not curable. These type of congenital diseases are can't be cured by any treatment or any drugs. So some cancers are also said to be due to the genetic factors. So cancer also comes in this type of disease, congenital disease. Some disorders like high blood pressure and excessive weight may due to the genetic factors, but could also due to the lifestyle and lack of exercise. So in nowadays we are seeing there is a blood pressure problem which comes from genetic disorder. If someone's father have the blood pressure problem, then his child can suffer this problem in future. So these are due to the genes and variations and inheritance, the what we say the principle of inheritance which was given by the Mendel. This follows this principle, and due to this we can see all these problems in the someone's individual due to their problem in the genes from the past generations. Some example of this congenital diseases are color blindness, hemophilia, etc. So now we will see the other type of the disease which is acquired disease. So let's go. So now these acquired diseases. So the acquired diseases can develop after the birth at any stage in the life of an individual. So this type of diseases are not present at the time of birth but can be evaluated and it can be formed in the future and can be broadly classified into the two types. So there are majorly two types of acquired diseases which we can different which we can classify and to study. So the main classification are communicable disease and non-communicable disease type of acquired disease. Now, as the name suggested, the communicable or infectious disease. So these diseases are caused by the pathogens and can be transmitted from one person to another, because these are the communicable. This can communicate from one person to another. These microorganisms are very deadly and can suffer many persons at the same time. The infectious diseases are very common and everyone suffers from them sometimes or the other in their life. Some of the infectious diseases we are like AIDS, and AIDS could be a fatal, and some other diseases like malaria, dengue, etc. are comes in this communicable disease type. Now we will see about the other type of a disease, which is a non-communicable disease, which are introvert in nature. We can see they are the introvert in nature. So this disease, because this disease do not spread from one person to another by the contact, so these diseases are also a fatal. But the main benefit is that main that pros is that it does not communicate by air, water, or any other pathogens. Some the among non-communicable diseases like cancer. Cancer is the major cause of death, but though it is serious, but the main advantage is that it can't communicate, it can't infect the other person. Now here we can see these is a flow chart which tells us about the types of acquired diseases, which is a very wonderful given here in this textbook. So there are the types of acquired diseases. There are broadly two types of acquired diseases: communicable disease and other is non-communicable disease. So communicable disease, these diseases can be spread, which we saw previously in that paragraph. It is same only, but the explanation is so good. So in the non-communicable disease part, there are differentiated into the five types. There are the degenerative diseases, the deficiency diseases, the allergies, cancers, and other diseases. This we will see later in this video. So now we will see the degenerative diseases. So these degenerative diseases are due to the malfunction of important organs like heart, kidney, liver, and etc. These are the types of degenerative diseases. Now if we see the examples, so what are the examples of degenerative disease? There are Alzheimer disease, the other is Lewy body disease, and other is Parkinson's disease. These all diseases comes in the degenerative type of disease, which comes in the non-communicable disease part. The other part is the deficiency diseases. These are due to the hormones or the nutrients like vitamins or minerals. Due to the lack of this cause the deficiency diseases in one's body. The examples can be like protein energy malnutrition, scurvy, rickets, beriberi, and osteomalacia, and vitamin K deficiency. These are and other like iron deficiency. These are the examples of deficiency diseases. Other part is allergies. So allergies are due to the hypersensitivity of the body to the certain foreign substances. As we know, our body is sensitive to foreign substances, but in some cases our body does hyperly activate and becomes hyperly sensitive, and this causes the allergies in one's body. We see some have the allergies of food, drug, or latex, or insect, or some due to the airborne, or it is like some bees. So these are some have these allergies with cats, dogs, etc., and these all are the allergies. Sinus, this is also a allergy type. The other disease is the cancer. This is a mainly fatal disease which is very famous, and it is also a dangerous also. This is due to the uncontrolled growth of tissues or cells or organs in the body. So if we see the morphology of the cancerous cell is like these have the large nucleus and have an irregular size and shape, and nucleoli are prominent and the cytoplasm is scarce and intensely colored. So this we can, the cancerous cell can be easily differentiated from the normal one as they have the uncontrolled death, so it cause the tumor formation at the end of stages. Data suggests that the 10% of all cancers may be due to the caused by the inherited genetic changes. So it is 10% believed that it is due to the inheritance problem from generations to generations. Characterization can be also like in the other diseases. These are due to the physical agents such as heat, cold, radiation, pressure and sound, or these are due to the mechanical agents like friction and accident that cause fracture, trauma and dislocations. Some have the, due to the accident we cause the fracture, so this all comes into the other diseases classification.